Today we are going to check out the FODSPORTS FX6 Bluetooth intercom. Let's take a look. Let's open the box first. We will start with the intercom unit, and we then have the usual manual, clamp, Velcro clamp, USB cable, screwdriver, microphone and ear speakers, headphone Velcro to stay here. Let's look at the FX6 main unit again. It gives us a simple but full of materials black filling. It is designed with multi-function knob. If you like the way this knob works, don't miss it. It allows you easily to answer or reject calls, pause or play music, and adjust the volume level, even while riding with gloves on. And it's a micro USB port. Let's go outside and see what it looks like on a helmet. It looks nice on a helmet, right? Now let's test the sound quality. The sound quality at sub 60 miles per hour speed is excellent.
The other thing with it is it's nice and loud, it's stereo.
Well, let's use it to connect the phone. Press and hold the multi-function button for 6 seconds. There is a pairing sound prompt, and the blue and red lights flash alternately. Then you can see on your phone that the FODSPORTS FX6 Bluetooth device is created. Click to complete the final pairing. Next, we enter the operation of the voice assistant. Double-click the function button to enter the voice assistant. Okay, let's test it. Hey Siri, dial 10086.
Hey guys, welcome to the FODSPORTS channel. I'm Jimmy.
Next, I will show you some basic functions of FX6. How to turn on the FM function. Should press multi-function button 3 times. Can FX6 connect with other FX6 in intercom mode? No, you have to log out first. After the connection is successful, you can start the intercom. How to clear pairing memory. When headset is on, keep pressing the button for another 3 seconds after turning it off. After power off sound prompt, the red light quickly flashes 3 times and the dual sound prompt can be heard. How does the battery reminder work? The battery low sound is prompted every 60 seconds when turned on. Red light will keep flashing. If the battery is full, the battery full sound is prompted. With IPX6 water resistance ratings, able to protect against the water jets. FX6 basic function introduction. 6 riders intercom, 500 mAh lithium battery, Bluetooth 5.0, 0.18 mile communication distance. Support the noise reduction function, micro USB charging port. Overall, FX6 intercom is suitable for motorcycle helmet Bluetooth intercom for 4 to 6 riders to communicate. Easy to pair with phone. Setting up in the helmet, it was easy to hide wires. If you like the way this knob works, don't miss it. Very impressed with the sound quality. Good for up to 60 miles per hour. If you want higher quality, more versatile intercom, the FX6 probably won't meet your requirements.